Hello and welcome to the Craft Papa Show. Today's episode was inspired by my youngest, who was playing with a headless Michelangelo. This is one of the turtles that had the squishy head. I don't know where the head is. And he was playing with a Krang, and he put them together, and I thought it was hilarious. So we're going to not do an articulated one, we're just going to do a statue here. Cast this up and make one out of resin. Hopefully try to get this pink and get this green and maybe do some hand painting on it. Okay. And here we go. Alright, so I'm going to put in some of this ComposiMold. Now remember kids, ComposiMold is hot when it comes out of the microwave. Get your parents' permission before playing with ComposiMold. What we're going to do is just do a thin layer on the bottom, stick it in the freezer, and then finish up the mold after it gets nice and hard. Okay. That glue remelting and having him fall face down into the mold, which could very well happen anyways. Alright, we'll see you after the freezer. Alright, so we're back from the freezer. Everything's nice and cool, it didn't fall down. So that should be a great stable base for the next layer of ComposiMold. And away we go. Alright, so we got the Krang Ninja Turtle. I had problems filling up this foot here. It kept sinking back down. I see now that the problem is that we had a major leak. Resin sticks to itself, you know. So what we're going to do is tape it up and pour in more resin. You know what? We are gonna freeze it. We're gonna freeze it, and then we'll pour it tomorrow. All right. Hello and welcome back. So this leaked out quite a bit, and so I made up some more resin, plugged the holes, retaped it again. I did this off camera, and poured it. It looked good. It seems to have sunk down again. So these are the feet. So I'm just gonna open it because I don't want to wait another day. So he might be missing feet, but that's what it is. And let's go. Oh, gross. Oh, nasty. I'm guessing we found the leak here. I'm gonna say it's at the back of the head. That is not what Krang is supposed to look like. Alright, are we ready? Here we go. Oh, that's nasty. Look at that. Wow. Distortion in the shell. Arm didn't come out. Other arm sort of came out. Look at that. Ugh. Look at that. Crazy. Just crazy. Alright. Well, I'm gonna trim this up and make it look as good as possible. And I do like the color of the brain. That's pretty cool, I guess. We'll see. Shoot it with some clear coat. And let's see, will it stand? No way. It's hard to stand when your feet are not formed. Yeah. Anywho, we'll be right back. Or maybe I'll show you. Yeah, we'll just keep it on. I don't know. I don't know. I don't think I'm happy with this. But on the other hand, you know, that's kind of cool. I don't know. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please like and please like and subscribe if you can, if you're not. That helps me get these videos out to more people, and the more people that sees it, the more I'm apt to make more. You know what I mean? Anywho, have a great day. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Yeah. I don't know. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Come on. There it is. Hey, I totally forgot. I poured the extra resin into the Death Star, and I knew I wouldn't have enough to complete it, so I did this. I spun it around, I put a piece of tape over the end here, just to see if maybe we could make a hollow Death Star with the turtle resin. Alright? Let's see if we did. Oh wow, we did have a lot of resin. Alright. Because I remember yesterday I mixed up about a cup to fill up the holes in the feet. That. And apparently it wasn't enough. But anyways, when it started overflowing, ah, crap. Way. There is nothing like taking it right out of the mold and dropping it right on the ground. It's so dirty. But here you go. So we did get kind of hollow in the middle here. That's kind of cool. And again, all I did was I just took it and just kept spinning it. We got a hole here. But there you go. Alright. Bye-bye.